Some properties of complement sets. First, complement law. First is A union complement of A is equal to U. Second, A intersection complement of A is equal to phi. De Morgan law. A union B complement. A complement intersection B complement. Complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A union complement of B. Law of double complementation. Complement of A complement whole complement is equal to A. Complement of A complement is equal to A. Law of empty set and universal set. Complement of phi is equal to U and complement of universal set U is equal to phi. This last can be verified by using Venn diagrams. Complement laws. A union complement A complement is equal to U. A intersection A complement by De Morgan law. A union B complement A complement intersection B complement A intersection B complement or complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Law of the double complementation. Complement of A complement is equal to A. Law of empty sets and universal set. But complement of phi is equal to U and U complement is equal to phi. This graph can be referred by Venn diagrams.